Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open WhatsApp and confirm microphone and camera permissions in your phone settings. Check battery level and free storage before you start a call. Free at least 50 MB for temporary recording files and cache. Tell the other participant you plan to record the call and get consent. Set your device to Do Not Disturb to minimize interruptions during the video call. Run a 30-second test recording to verify audio levels and microphone placement. Decide whether to use the phone screen recorder or an external recorder as backup. On Android, enable built-in screen recorder before joining the WhatsApp video call. On iPhone, open Control Center and prepare screen recording with microphone audio enabled. Alternatively, place a second phone or digital recorder 3 to 6 inches from your mouth for clearer audio. Start the backup recorder right before you accept the video call for synchronization. When the call ends, stop all recordings and save each file with a clear name. Label files with date and participant names to make retrieval simple later. Use a basic editor to trim dead air and export as MP4 or M4A to preserve quality. Check file size and compress if necessary before sharing with others. Store recordings in a secure folder or encrypted cloud and respect privacy and consent rules. Share files only with explicit permission and use encrypted messaging or secure links.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.